Hi, magandang buhay. I would like to share with you about second quarter nationwide simultaneous earthquake drill doing the activities such as duck, cover, hold. June 10, 2021, 9 a.m. What to do during an earthquake? Drop, cover, hold on. An earthquake advisory. Together we heal as one. Drop where you are onto your hands and knees. This position protects you from being knocked down and also allows you to stay low and crawl to shelter if nearby. Cover. Cover your head and neck with one arm and hand. If a sturdy table or desk is nearby, crawl underneath it for shelter. If no shelter is nearby, crawl next to an interior wall away from windows. Stay on your knees, bend over to protect vital organs. Hold on until shaking stops. Under shelter, hold on to it with one hand. Be ready to move with your shelter if it shifts. No shelter, hold on to your head and neck with both arms and hands. Ano ang NSED or NSED? Ang Nationwide Simultaneous Earthquake Drill or NSED or NSED sa pangunguna ng Office of Civil Defense ay pagsasanay na sinasagawa 4 na beses sa isang taon. Ang unang beses ay noong March 11, 2021. Ito na po ang pangalawang beses, June 10. Next na po tayo sa susunod naman natin ng earthquake preparedness PDF file. So before earthquake, know the hazards. Familiarize yourself with earthquake hazards in your area. Know the evacuation area. Check the nearest route going to identified evacuation area. Prepare your house or workplace. Prepare an emergency supply kit. Make it accessible at all times. Learn to use the first aid kit, fire extinguishers, alarms, switching of water lines, gas tanks, and circuit breaker. Participate during drills. Regularly practice the evacuation procedure. Next, during earthquake, response during the shaking. Drop, cover, hold on. If outside, move to an open area. Then, if near shore, yung sa dagat, okay, o sa ilog, okay yan, move quickly to higher grounds. Move away from steep slopes. Stay calm and alert. Watch out for falling objects, glass windows, shelves, cabinets, and other heavy objects that may cause injury. Staff, if inside a moving vehicle, do not cross bridges, overpass, or flyovers. After an earthquake, step 1 hanggang step 5. Step 1, once the shaking stops, watch out for furniture or debris that have become loose and might fall. Step 2, be on the alert for potential fires, gas leaks, and damage to electrical systems. Shut off main gas and electricity lines. Step 3, slowly and calmly evacuate the house or building using the stairs or emergency exits. Step 4, gather at designated assembly points clear from tall structures such as power lines and buildings. Step 5, check if there are missing people in your group so authorities can be alerted immediately. Nabubulol pa, no? So, kailangan talaga. Ang maganda kasi dyan, meron din kayong bag. Sa isang bag o isang backpack, nandun na lahat. First aid kit, flashlight, cellphone number o contact number, mga account o Facebook account, o mga emergency na mahirap mahagilap, ganyan, na importante, ilagay nyo rin doon. Mga extra pagkain o ano. Gawin natin yung activities such as duck, cover, and hold on. For additional information, disaster preparedness, plan, prepare, recover. So, ito yung kanina, no? Nabasa na po natin yan. Yung before, tas ngayon naman yung during earthquake. drop, cover, hold on. Then yung if outside, kung nasa labas ka raw. Kung if near shore, if malapit ka sa dagat o ilog o ganyan. O kaya malapit ka sa mga gumuguhong bundok o kaya mga bagay, move away from steep slopes or slopes. Kailangan kalmante ka lang. Kalmante lang, huwag magpanik. Stop if inside a moving vehicle, kung nasa loob ka ng sasakyan, sa bus, sa jeep, sa kotse. Alam na. Alam na rin, after an earthquake, ito rin yon. That's it, and that's the end of my report. Good morning, God bless, and have a nice day. Mag-ingat po tayo palagi. Stay calm, stay safe, study, work at home or work from home. Palagi, mag-pray lang tayo kay Lord. Walang imposible.